Welcome. Today I'm going to look at exchanging my rear lights on my old Type 3 here, a 72 late model, long nose, and I found some LED replacements for the standard bulbs on Facebook from a Danish guy who has a website called dyrs.net. I'll post a link down below. And if you take a look at the box here, we ship me this little kit where, let's get it all rid of here. There's a kit for the left and right, and there's markings here. He's already at version 7.1. I'm one of the first to try this out, and well, it's a matter of connecting correctly and putting on the sleeves here, and then putting on the LEDs with some really tough glue. And yeah, well, let's have a look at it. Let's see what we can do. First off is of course taking off the lens caps here on the Type 3. But maybe first off we should take a look at how it looks right now. And let us try and put some light on the car. There we go. Should have some rear lights now. We can see they are the top ones, and then we have the brake lights, which should be fully functioning. And you can see got an amount of light, which is actually okay. And we got the turn signal as well, of course. But the thing is, I have got some idea with this, and that is to replace these original lens caps with, well, excuse me for the dirt, but I'm gonna put some tint on these so that the lights will be darkened a little bit. So therefore I want some more light when I tint these glasses. So let's bring you in here and try and take off these lenses, these covers. Easy peasy it should be, with just 2 screws here. There we go, that was easy. Next is to, I think, take off that big screw here in the top. Looks like there should be one more down here. Should have been, at least. And then we can take out the reflector body here, and we can see on the rear side here we have actually someone has been doing something before. There are some markings here for the lights, so let me take those off nice and quietly and maybe mark them just one more time to be sure that they go into the right locations. Another thing, while we're here, I'll clean up all the contactors so that we're sure that we get some really good contact with the LEDs once we replace them. So yeah, hang on tight. Got the reverse light here. Easier to write in Danish back than it is to write in English reverse. There's that. And we've got the 2 lights here. Got all of the receptacle. You can see all the reflector here. My seal looks good, so I might just clean it up and of course reuse that. Originality is what we prefer. And we've got the ground here. Let's just mark that up. Even though I can see it just runs 10 centimeters behind, just for reference here. For when we put it all together again. Let's call that rear. It's also including stop. No worries there. And then there's a little connector. Small connector. But I see that here on that set of wires here, so we're all good. Perfect. So yeah, I got them all marked except that little one. So yeah, perfect. Let me do a little bit of cleaning and then we are ready to move to the table. Perfect. And we're now on the table and we can see we've got 2 stops and rear light. Cool. We've got a set of indicator lights. And then we have, which I think is the reverse here, or actually the blinker, as it is a little bit yellow in the bottom. So we've got 3 bulbs, which fits perfectly together with this. We'll take those out now, we don't need them. There we go. And I can see actually my connectors here, my contacts are pretty decent looking. That's nice. Let's pull off this rubber seal. Put together with the screw over there. We've got some rubber here for the contacts here. And this is where I want to put my LEDs into. Actually, I think I want them out here. That's where they go, I guess. Yeah, that fits perfectly. And then just glue it onto here. That's really neat, actually. Clean it up, prep it for glue. That's for sure the best way here. And then you can see we can actually get the wires through here, through that little hole. And then I would love to see those go right there, set firmly. And then when I've glued them, I think I'm just going to give them some tape, wind them around until they are hardened, and then we're ready to install them. I have chosen some really strong glue, a Sika 221, and well, I'm actually just going to put something here on the back. I think that's I got a stripe up here and a couple of dots down below. I think that's more than enough to make this stick well and not ruin too much of the reflector. I want to be able to go back to originality if needed. So let's have a look here. See if I can glue this on here without gluing too much all over the place. Come on, come on, come on. Yep, there we go. And I want it up here on the top. There we go. And maybe take some paper just to remove that mess I made here. And then when I'm happy with the seal, how it looks, how it fits, I'm going to put some electrical tape around it so that I'm sure that it will stay here until it is solidly fixed. That was the first one. Let's put some electrical tape around it so that we're ensuring a nice fit here. That should be it. Don't want to jerk it, so yeah, I'm happy with it. Let me continue doing the rest of them. Cool. So, as mentioned prior, I put on some sleeve here so that we won't chafe the wires. And then in the grommet here, I would like to do a little incision here at the end so that I can get my 3 wires here in the middle out through the grommet, so to keep a little bit better seal to the inside of the lamp. Just put it over here as it was before. There we go. I think that's pretty neat. And of course did it in the other end and then do it down here as well. Both lights have now been mounted, and I'm ready to tell and show you the difference. So, initially, we've got good lights coming out of the rears. Got really good brake indication. And we've got some fast blinking here. I think there's something with the resistors. Let's see if we can find reverse. And we've got some good reverse lights as well. I'm looking forward to this. I'm looking forward to trying this out in the evening. It's really dark at the moment in the evenings here in Denmark, so it's going to be an easy test, an early test. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I can definitely highly recommend these upgrades for my Type 3. They fit for notchbacks, and they fit on common gears as well. That's how it all started, on the gears. But yeah, it's the same lights on my notch, so I think it's the same on the fastback as well. So yeah. Thanks for watching.